Hello and welcome. Today is February 8th, 2026. Now it's 6:05 p.m. here in Spain. We are playing some pips, easy, medium, and hard. Let's start with easy. So 3, straightforward here. Then we have equal. We only have two other empties. Here we need a double. Oh, could be either choose or force. And also here what we have over 4, it's this one, then we have choose, then force, and for 1. All right, let's go to medium. We got a couple zeros that could go in that 0 orange region, and well, one here and one here. One in the orange, one in the green. And this needs to be less than 3, which could be 0, 1, but I don't think this will be one domino here. So I think this will go to the left, and then we can have 1, 1, but we can also go 4, 4. What do we have 4 of to go in this equivalence region? We have 5 fours, and we have 3 ones, 2 twos, 3 threes. Oh, it's 3 twos, 3 threes, 2 sixes. So yeah, can only be 4, and we don't have any 5s. Interesting. Um, can only be 4, so it needs to be here, right? Which means this will be 0, 4. Then we can have 4, 6 or 4, 2. If it needs to be, no, wait, if it's 4, 6, then we have 6, 2, and 2, we don't have 2, 2. So it needs to be 4, 2, then 2, 3, because also we don't have 6, 6, so it needs to be 2, 3, and 3, 3. Um, so let's do that. 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Then we have the only other double, it's double 1, 1, 0, less than 3 is just the 2. And then to be more, bigger than 8 could be, we could put it in either way. Right, let's go to hard. Okay, I immediately see we need 3 sixes here in the corner and a bunch of zeros here in this blue region. Here we need 6 and 5. How many sixes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sixes. And well, I can see a place for 4 of them at least. But then we have also 22 here. This in 4 squares, this needs to be at least 1 6, right? At least. Or do we need 2 sixes here actually? Because if we have, yeah, I think we need 2 sixes. Yeah, 2 or 3 sixes. But we don't have 3 sixes, so it needs to be 2 sixes and 2 fives. Because if we have 6 sixes, then it's 3 in this right top corner, 1. No, wait, I said we have 6 sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, it could be 3 sixes here and a 4. Yeah, 3 sixes and a 4. Or it could be 2 sixes and 2 fives. How many fives do we have? We have a lot also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6 fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fives. And we just know we need 1 here. We could have we could have 2 here or none. interesting. And then here it's one, and we have in five squares, and we have one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, five zeros. So one of the zeros is not going to be here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So let's try starting with this 6 and 6. Could be the other way also. Could be like this. But my instincts say it's gonna be like this. Then for this equivalence region, we can have anything, right? Because two, we have 6 and 2, then we have another two, and 2 and 5, 2 and 1. We have 6 and 3, then we have 3 and 1, 3 and 5. If we go 6 and 4, we have 4 and 5, 4 and 4. If we go 6, 0, that's the only one we cannot use here. So I'll actually try this. 6, 0 goes there because we need several zeros here. And we don't have a 6, 1. So, I mean, could it be 5, 0? Yeah. Yeah, good. But then where do we put the 6, 0? Something to think about. If it's, I mean, I'm open to consider that this could be 5, 0, but then probably the 6, 0 would go here because we still have an extra 6, if I'm not mistaken. So depends if this 22 is two sixes and two fives or three sixes and a four. Then, well, yeah, same here, right? We can have many things. So how should I approach this? Well, we need a double here also. And it could be fives or fours. Cannot be 0 because zeros need to be here. Not all of them, of course, but some zeros, right? And we might need a couple fives here, and we need one five here. So I'm considering this is gonna be two sixes and two fives. It's I think there's a higher chance that's gonna be it. So I'll put my fours here. Then what other four do we have? Just the 6 and 4. Ooh, well, as I said, we have 5 and 4 also. So let's do these. But then I need another double here. Well, let's go with the fives then. Interesting, interesting. I think this is probably wrong, but well, let's try. 5 and 3. Then here we can go 1 and 3, and we have 6. We have 6, 2, and 5, 2. Here we need also something. Oh well, then we ran out of fives to put here because we needed two sixes and two fives. But then we can go back to three sixes and one four like this. Oh no, but then we don't have enough six now. Oh, I thought we had enough. One, two, three, six, four. Yeah, I miscounted. So this needs to be two sixes and two fives. I miscounted. I don't know. I thought, of course, if we need three here and one here, we can only have two. We cannot have three to make 22. All right. So we cannot have the fives here, or at least we cannot have the fours here, or we can. Let me think. How can we can have maybe the five and four and five like this? No, but then how do we make the other four is goes with the six. So maybe the other way. No, also same problem, right? Same problem. This is five and five, and this is four and four. Um, Still have enough fives, I guess. No, because we need a five here. So the geometry here is not right. What else can we have here? Nothing, right? Because we don't have, well, maybe the choose. Well, we don't need a double here actually. So, but then, we are going to use the six and five. We don't need a double here because we can have here and here and here. Then let's try the four here, four and four. But then what I have is it's just the five to go with the four. And if it's five and five here, do I still have enough fives? Yeah, I guess so, right? I guess. Well, it depends. If I go five, I don't have enough threes to go here. I only have two threes. So I would, well, maybe this doesn't need to be one and three also. So can I go five and three? Then three. No, I need the six elsewhere. I need the six elsewhere. I cannot have waste a six here. Same happens with the two, right? I cannot waste the two and six here. And same happens with the four, because I have four and six, four and five. Um, Unless, but can I have four and five here? I think I tried that, didn't I? Can I have four and sorry, four and five like this, and then five three. Well, actually, the other way, right? Five three and five zero. Because I said I had a spare zero. Then four and four, and I still have a couple double five that can go there. This can still be one and three. Then zero one six. I don't have anything to go here with this equal. So maybe this could be six three, then one and three like this, and five. No, but then it's five two. Doesn't fit here. Neither does one and two. Shoot. I thought we were getting somewhere. I can take this here. Then I have 6, 3 here. This 6 goes up there. But then I have 1 and 2, but this needs to be bigger than 2. Do I have any 4? All my 4s are here. I have just 1 4 left here. Can this be, do I have 6 and 1, 5 and 1? No, I don't. I have 6 and 0, but this, yeah. Oh God. Can I have the 6 and 2 here, then 2 and 1, but then I'll still have the 5, 2, but it cannot go this way. If I put 6, sorry, 6, 3, and my 5, this could be 5, 3, either this way or this way. But then the problem, I have the same problem, just on another place. And then I can swap this for this, and this for this, and 3 and 1. You see, it's the same problem here. So what can I do with this? How can I how can I get get an extra pip? How can I get an extra pip? Can I put a 6, 3 here? No, but all my 4s. Well, let me think. Okay, I'm getting somewhere maybe. I can have a 5, 3 here, and then this 6, 4 comes here. Wait, wait, I was getting somewhere. I was get I promise I was getting somewhere. Doesn't It's not 6, 4. No, this 5, 3 needs to go there. And then this 6, 3. But then this is 12 now. And if this goes down, I don't have any other 3. I still only have 5, 2. What's going on? What am I missing? 5, 2. So maybe this is. Let's go back to 6, 2 here. And then we can have 1 and 2 and 5, 3. But then I got a problem here. And I don't have a 4 and 3. So, well, but I can put the 5, 2 back here, and then the 1 and 3 here. Then I don't have anything to equal this. I have 6 and 3, and I have 6 and 4. What am I missing? What am I not seeing? Can I put it? Does it make a difference? Then, then this needs to go this way, and then this only causes me problems. No, this only causes me problems. Go back. If I go 5 and 5 here, no, it's worse because I cannot waste this 5. But I'm definitely missing something big time. Yeah, still the same problem. I cannot swap this 6 4 for 6 3, nor for 6 2 because then can I use? Did I try this before? I feel like I tried it. Oh, wait. Oh, come on. 18 minutes. Wow. That was hard to watch probably. Yeah, I think I got this in my mind, but then when I tried to actually make it, actually I was trying with the threes, not with the twos. Anyway, I got it, and the geometry is the same on both sides, so I mean, it should have been easier to figure it out. Anyway, I got there eventually. Thanks for watching. Tell me how you did in the comments.